Welcome back. Now we're going to look at NEISD's social media presence on Twitter. So to get to Twitter, you will open a browser and you're going to type in www.neisd.net/ITS. That's going to take you to the Instructional Technology Services webpage. You'll see the scrolling banner here. Click in the middle and it says follow us at NEISDiTech. If you click this link right here, it will take you to our Twitter page. So what we'd love for you to do is follow us by clicking the follow button. And you will notice that our handle is at NEISDiTech. And also when you tweet about something, you can include our hashtag, which is hashtag NEISDiTech. So some of the things you'll find on our Twitter feed are the secondary and elementary newsletters. You'll also find teacher successes, student successes, new innovations that we might want to tweet about, and basically any other information that has to do with instructional technology. So check back often, things change, and again, follow us so you can find out more information.